Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Imelda Jones, the host of this channel. Anyway, today I'm back with another video. I didn't want to do my intro video like this, but I think it's just gonna happen like that because it's currently, let's see, 21-24, and I want to install my wig. Today is Tuesday, tomorrow is Wednesday. I have to go back to work. Last night I was trying to install my wig and do the same video, but I got sick in the middle. Like even before starting, I got sick and I couldn't do that. So, and yeah, I'm gonna do that, and we're gonna have a little vlog. Just before you guys come for me, disclaimer, I'm not a professional. I am not a professional, so whatever I do it because I feel like it's right, and that's what I got from TikToks. And my girl, ooh yeah, my girl is a professional wig installer, so she used to install my wigs, but now she's not here, so I gotta do this. And just think of how she used to do it for me. So yeah, and I don't have glue really, but I use this melting spray. It can work as glue. I mean, it has worked on me, so yeah, I'll be using this. And I don't have a blow dryer, so we're gonna until it dries. I'm lying, it's just gonna air dry. Guys, sorry you didn't even see me. Apparently I have a trip tomorrow, a work trip tomorrow. I don't know how I feel about this hair, but it has to do because I need to pack. I need to iron the clothes I need to wear because it's a work trip, and because it's a exhibition, I feel like I'm leaning on t-shirts more and jeans. So yeah, I'm gonna pack those things. So I need to iron my t-shirts and all. I don't know how I feel about this hair, but it's gonna have to stay like that. We'll do the rest probably in the morning or whenever, but as long as the glue has stick, because it's not moving. This less ain't moving anywhere, ain't going anywhere. But yeah guys, so this vlog is gonna be about my work trip. So yeah guys, I need to pack. I don't know if I'll be able to record all that because I'm just right now. It was a hassle to find transport. Jesus Christ, to get a ticket, it was a hassle, but I managed. So yeah, I need to pack everything, and I have to pack everything here because staying there for 4 days and maintaining this wig is gonna be a hassle. Okay, I'm using the word hassle a lot, but yeah guys, I'm gonna take you guys with me, period. But I look good regardless. I look good. I'm a beautiful girl.
Utaingia huku kutafuta basi. Mbona mnapa kuingia?
extensive. Yo. I'm shocked. Mango. Sisi nataki nyama. We are in Dodoma. Very tired. Freaking tired. Ooh. Yani. This is the room and I love it. This is the bed. So spacious. The bathroom. That's me. That's me, your girl. Anyway, this is nice. Hey guys, good morning. I know most of you are now wondering like where I'm at. I'm in Dodoma. Oh, toothpaste. I even forgot toothpaste. I carried toothpaste. I forgot toothpaste. But yeah, I'm in Dodoma, the capital city of Tanzania. It's morning, and my trip was so tiresome, and my flu got bad because the aircon was strong, but still, it was such an excitement. I enjoyed, and yeah, I need to get ready, probably have breakfast, because I don't know how long that thing is gonna take. We're here for the exhibition. So yeah, I wanna unpack my things because last night I didn't, and prepare what I'm wearing. Yeah, then shower. Yeah, so hey, let me tell you guys, when I entered the bus, my seat was H3 and H4, like me H3 and my friend is H4, and we're entering. A guy seated on my seat comfortably. I was like, hey, sorry, this is my seat. No, it's my seat. I was like, what's your seat? H3. I was like, no, I'm looking at my ticket. I'm like, mine is H3. What does this guy mean? So we had to call the conductor, like, hey, this guy is saying this is the seat, but it's actually my seat. Then he was like, okay, let me check. They have those things online where they put names and all that. He checked. He asked me, what's your name? Emailed the whole Jones. Then he asked the guy, what's your name? Peter. This is not your seat. This is another seat. I was just like, then the conductor was like, let me see your ticket. When he showed his ticket, it's Richard G3. Guys, how is G3 and H3 similar? I don't know. But it's like, people can't read. stupid. But anyway, yeah, I got to sit and it was okay. I just realized that things are really expensive. Like this side, most of the things, or maybe they scammed us, I don't know. But like things like transport, like where we got, where the bus stopped to where we are going to sleep, it's just a lot. It wasn't like even a long ride, it was just a bit. Me, I was shocked. I was like, all this for just this distance, are you sure? Yeah, I mean, because it was at night, let's say today. Yeah, anyway, let me get ready and get back to you guys after I'm dressed and ready. Okay, probably this is gonna be the end of this vlog, so that we can start another vlog of this whole journey. I mean, of all what this trip is all about. So this vlog will be about, this one that is ending right now is about how I travel from Dar es Salaam to Dodoma, and the other vlog will be about all the thing I do here in Dodoma. Guys, I painted my nose at the bus station. If I tell you the price, y'all will laugh because it was funny. This is what 2,000 shillings worth of nails. Very cheap, I know. Very cheap, and that's why it's not really perfect, but you can't see unless I move closer. I don't know, you can still see. But yeah, it's not perfect, but it's only me who can see that it's not perfect. So, and I was just looking, I don't know. So I feel better like this. Anyway, I've talked for so long. Bye guys.